di naman ako bumili, pero naging suspicious lang kami doon. So we started publishing and I created yung World Media Philippines na Facebook group. So pwede po kayong mag-join din doon. Right now, we're celebrating World Media Philippines since Monday until Sunday. May Zoom meetings kami free every night, 7:30 to 8:30. So every year, we've been conducting na yung I invite beekeepers even from Malaysia, Thailand, Vietnam, Australia to speak at different speeches about bees and honey. Yun. So, it was validated kasi noong December 2020, naglabas po yung DOST nung result ng it was published na 85% of the honey in the market are fake. Fake po yun. It's not even adulterated. Yung may honey tapos sinaluan ng tubig or something, hindi siya ganun. It's high fructose sugar. So, delikado po yun sa mga consumers, especially yung mga pre-diabetic or yung mga diabetic na, kasi parang pinagsamantalahan na build your immune system, tapos yung mga tao dahil mura siya, bili ng bili. Yun. So, every time I do a talk, I quickly touch on the Apimondia statement on honey fraud. So, nag-publish din sila January 2020. Apimondia is the global organization of beekeepers based in Canada. So, going to the next, ito po yung link if you wanna see the entire text. Pero if you go to the next slide, ito po yung ano nila, ano yung mga practices at ano yung nababiling. So, highlight ko lang po dito yun, yung harvesting of immature honey as a systematic and purposeful mode of production. Not just dito sa mga ganito, pero even yung, di ba yung, may mga kilala kayong namumuhat sa bundok, yung aakyat ng bundok, kumuha ng honey. Di ba, mayroon pong marami kayong kilala, kung may kilala kayong gano'n. Ang nangyayari po kasi, finder's keeper. Di ba, pag umakyat ka, tapos nakita mo yung yung pukyutan doon, ang iisipin mo, hindi pa rin yung honey ha, hindi pa hinog yun, ay, i-harvest ko na kasi pag hindi kinuha may makakita sila mag-harvest. So, kinukuha nila yun, hindi pa ripe yung honey. So, pag binenta nila, kasi may moisture content dapat yung honey na nilibig to be considered honey. Sa Apis mellifera, ito po, 20% moisture content. Yung mga nectar na nakukuha mo sa mga bulaklak, it's up to 80% moisture content. So, yung mga bees, they have to flap their wings,